Going to take the marquee rectangle, so elliptical marquee tool. So same way the old one, you can select this. The second button you can add the selection, and third one you can subtract the selection, and you can intersect the selection. If you want to like some of the design, what you need to edit stroke. And I done a one mistake here. I put it on this layer. You should not do the same layer. Add one more layer, then edit stroke. Then you can add it on that. Then this is a way in when you are commercially will work and you will give some effects like layer style, bevel and emboss something. Okay, so now you get an amazing design like this. Okay, this is a one way. Another way, if you want to create some buttons or something, what you'll do, again you take one more layer, you draw one elliptical tool, shift it will be square, otherwise it will be like this, control D. So if you want to see, now I'm not holding any keys. The minute you hold the shift key, it will be a circle. Now I'm putting like this. It's in another layer. So Alt Delete, it will be the foreground color will apply here. Otherwise, you can select some other color anywhere from this is another color. Then you can Alt Delete. So now what you'll do? So deselect again. What you'll zoom in this area. Then again I'll do one more. Again I'll hold Shift. If you want to move the circle, you just spacebar also. Shift and spacebar. Shift and spacebar, you can move this selection. Now I am deleting this. Again, you can layer style, bevel and emboss. You can do some good designs on this also. See, and sometime I want to create a small button like this. What should do? We'll do the same thing. We'll do small type of bullet points or anything. Again, I am putting Control Delete, Control D. Then you will get an amazing button like this. Again we'll Control T. Sorry, this is both are selected. So now you can use the marquee tool in another way. So select this, select this area, Control X, Control V. So it will be another area. This is a one way to use the marquee tool. Okay, then I think that layer style is left. Layer style, bevel and emboss. Okay, now sometimes what we will do, we will do this in work and we will remove inside also sometimes. Circle, I remove inside. Shift, I am holding the shift. So I remove, sorry, the layer selection is not correct. So remove it. So you will get a different types of button. This is a way industry, the commercial use you will do that. You can also do, I showcase several ways you can use this tool. And not only selection, you can create the artwork using this tool. And one more thing I can showcase to you that, see here it is a tool. No. And so if you want to cut this, what you can do? You can just select this. I'm using this tool. I'm selecting this area. And cut it. Then you can paste it somewhere else. So this is a way you can use these tools. So now we almost say the elliptical tool, you can cut it. Again, some items are there in circle. Control Z. A lot of fruits are here in circle level. See this one. You can just select it. Control Shift you can do, and you can move. And you can cut it. So there is no. If you are mixing with this with, see if I am going to do here. See, I am pasting here. Here there is no. If you want exactly like this, there is no problem. If you want some what you can say feathering, you can right click, then you can feather. You can select 10. Then I am cutting it. You can see some feather, and I am bringing back to here. I am pasting here. So it is automatically merged here. So okay, leave it. I will give a good example for this. I am elliptical. I am selecting this. Not elliptical. I am just this way. I am selecting. Again, I am right click. I am selecting the feather. I need more feather. I am putting 20. So I am cutting it. You can see that. Then what I am going to do is one more image I have. Same image. Then I am pasting here. Then what I am going to do, I am just increasing the size. If I want to mix with this background with this, what I am going to do with this? So Control B, edit image. The Control B is a color balance. You can, otherwise I'll take some adjustment layer. Okay, color balance. I don't know why color balance is not coming up. Okay, it's come up. I didn't see that. So you can make some changes, then you will get a good looking photographs. This is a way you can do. Some you need to do the adjustment, means feathering. Some you don't do the feathering. Okay, this is a way you can work out. Otherwise, if you want in another way, you can do that. Okay, so delete it. Okay, what I'm going to do, I am another layer I am taking. This is color balance. Also, I am removing it. I'm adding here. I'm putting one more. Then I am edit stroke. I am putting around same similar color one. Okay. Then okay. Layer style, bevel and emboss, and drop shadow. Okay. So one ring is here. Go here another image. Where is that image? Control Z. Then Control D. Exact size I am cutting here. No, this is not round. You need to press shift. Okay, I got an exact round. I'm checking any feathering is there. Feather it's 0. 1 point is required. Okay, automatically it will take it. So I'm cutting it, coming back to this image and paste it. Control T. Then I am increasing the size. I am holding caps lock to perfectly. So now if you got a different effect, if you want to color balance, again control B, you can do the color balance. Okay, now you can work very simple way I given how to use the elliptical marquee tool. Okay, so now another one I'm not taking. Okay, I'll take on another video. What is the usage of this single row and single row marquee tool and single row column marquee tool? Okay, so please practice this, and this is a very nice way. Commercial usage I explained clearly on these tools.